Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to move files from Google Drive to OneDrive. Are you tired of juggling between Google Drive and OneDrive and finding it cumbersome to access your files seamlessly across these two popular cloud storage platforms? Well, you're not alone. Many of us face the challenge of organizing our digital files in a way that maximizes accessibility and convenience. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of moving your files from Google Drive to OneDrive, ensuring you have easy access to your important documents, photos, and videos no matter which service you're using. Let's dive right in and simplify your digital life. To start, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. You can do this by entering the Google Drive URL into your browser's address bar. If you haven't already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Drive dashboard, where all your files and folders are neatly organized. This is your starting point for selecting the files you wish to transfer. Now, take a moment to review your files. Think about which documents you use most frequently or need to access in OneDrive. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac. This allows you to choose several files at once, making the process quick and efficient. Once you've made your selections, it's time to download them to your computer. With your files highlighted, look for the download option. You can find this either in the menu bar or by right-clicking on your selected files and choosing Download from the context menu. This action will compress your files into a zip archive, which will be saved to your computer's default downloads folder. Keep in mind that this step is crucial as it prepares your files for the transition to OneDrive. Having successfully downloaded your files, it's time to shift our focus to OneDrive. Open your web browser again and search for OneDrive. Once you reach the OneDrive website, log in with your Microsoft account credentials. After logging in, you'll arrive at your OneDrive homepage, which is ready to welcome your files. In OneDrive, locate the Create button. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu where you need to select the Upload option. This allows you to choose whether you want to upload individual files or entire folders. For this tutorial, we'll proceed by selecting Upload Files. A File Explorer window will open, prompting you to navigate to the Downloads folder where your Google Drive files were saved. Find the zip archive or individual files you downloaded earlier, select them, and click Open. This action initiates the upload process, transferring your files from your device to OneDrive. And there you have it. Your files have successfully transitioned from Google Drive to OneDrive. This straightforward process helps ensure your documents and media are accessible whenever you need them, providing both convenience and peace of mind. That's it for this tutorial on how to move files from Google Drive to OneDrive. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.